Hey, hi, I'm Ramya, embedded software engineer at Microsoft Technologies. So, today we're going to see a RTOS based smart garbage monitoring system using TDCI. So, welcome to this project demo. So, here we will explore how garbage levels can be monitored in real time and how this data can be used to optimize waste collection using a combination of simulated environment and physical hardware. This project employs an Arduino Uno connected to an ultrasonic sensor to measure the fill levels of the garbage bins. So using TDCI, we link a simulated environment to the real hardware, enabling real-time monitoring and efficient waste management. The system alerts waste management personnel when the bins are actually full and ensuring a timely collection and reducing the overflow of the garbage. So here you can see how the TDCA system is actually doing. So from the left hand side, it is the host application, either Windows or Linux, whatever your host application is running on the left hand side, and this is the target hardware, either Arduino or Cortex. So host is sending command to the target hardware via serial communication, and target hardware is return the response back to the host. So this seamless two-way communication is happening via serial. So this is how the TDCA making this hardware API call between both host and target. So coming to the overview of this project, we are going to measure the garbage level, and Arduino is the one processing the sensor data using TDCA, and then it is sending the response to the host, and then we are getting a real time data. Then here when you coming to see the what are the components here we are using is ultrasonic sensor, Arduino Uno, and LED. So let's see how the system works. So ultrasonic sensors are mounted on top of the garbage bin to measure the distance of the waste. As the garbage fills up, the distance to the waste decreases and allowing the system to determine when the bin is full. The control logic which governs this monitoring process is simulated on the RTOS running on a host machine and allowing developers to test and refine the system. Here, TDCA establishes a communication channel, which is a serial interface between a host and target hardware. Then the host sending commands to the target to check the fill level of the bins, which the Arduino executes by reading data from the sensor. Using TDCA, developers can simulate various garbage fill scenarios. The host system processes sensor data and determines if the bins need to be collected or not. For instance, if the sensor detects that a bin is nearing its capacity, the host receives the data and triggers a LED indication to collect the wastage. With this TDCA, the system continuously monitors the fill levels of the garbage and dynamically adjusts based on the real-time data. So alerts can be sent whatever the garbage is full or empty, whatever the indication should be sent to the waste management personnel through a mobile app or notification system when the bins actually reaches certain fill level. So this is how the system actually works. Now let's see the coding part. Okay, coming to this coding part, we must include this TDCA.h, which is really required to use the TDCA HAL APIs. And then inside the main coding, you should use TDCA init in the beginning of the code so that it is making a serial communication between host and target. So COM7 is my port. Based on your port number, please use that one. and just use the following Arduino code as usual. So now I'm going to run this console by right click open with system editor, and then you can see the output according to the host command. So you can see each command is sent by the host side, whatever pin mode, digital write and delay, microsecond, everything. And success is the response status we are getting from target side. So here you can see the param value and the calculated distances coming, so that garbage is empty, it is showing. When I'm trying to detect the sensor, and then you can see the following result. It should show, see, when I'm detecting the things, it is coming lesser value and distance is 4, and it is saying garbage is full. So based on the garbage is empty or full, the LED indication will comes up. So this is how the command sending from the host side, and then the response is getting from the target side. So whatever you're seeing ART prefix in each command, which is designed by our Microsoft, so that you seeing like this ART prefix in each Arduino API. Okay, fine. So let's see the hardware setup now. Let's see our hardware setup. Here I'm using Arduino Uno, and I connected LED on pin 13 with ground, and then I connected a required wiring connection for my ultrasonic sensor. So I gave power supply and ground, and then trigger and echo pin to the digital pins. So this is how my sensor and LED I just used to connect on the Arduino Uno. So now I'm going to run this one. Should see that when the sensor is detecting a long distance, because I'm keeping my hand so long, when it is detecting long distance, so it means the garbage bin is low, I mean it is empty, so that the LED indication is turned off. When I'm trying to detect closer, then you can see that my LED started blinking, so it is giving an indication to the garbage collected personnel. So when I removed the hand, the LED turned off. So this is how we just fix the sensor on the top of the garbage bin, and then it is measuring based on the distance it is indicating. So now it is very shorter distance from the ground, so that's why my LED started glowing. When I it is not detecting a shorter distance, then my LED should turned off. Okay, we demonstrated how a smart garbage monitoring system enhance urban waste management using TDCI. By utilizing real-time data, we can improve the efficiency of waste collection. So this integration of simulated environment with physical system enhances the development process and leads to smarter waste management solutions that are both efficient and responsiveness. So keep following for more videos. Thank you. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this helpful, stay connected for more artist related videos. Bye.